Today we're gonna make this corn pasta salad that has rotini pasta, red peppers, corn, cucumbers, a little bit of cheese, and a delicious dressing that is just a little bit of spice. It's very good, and you're gonna love this as your next side salad. It's kidney friendly and easy to make. Hi, I'm Mathia Ford with Renal Diet HQ, and today we're back to make a corn pasta salad. So I wanna go through with you the ingredients we're gonna use today. We have rotini pasta, we have corn, we have chopped white onion, we have cucumber, a little bit of shredded cheese, we have olive oil mayo, we have some green onions, which I just chopped and used the whites really of the onion. I have black pepper, Texas twist, and garlic powder right there. Cilantro fresh, red pepper, sour cream, olive oil, lemon juice. Those are all gonna go together. We're gonna make a nice cold corn pasta salad that is delicious as a side dish, or you can just have it as a midday meal. Okay, first we're gonna make the dressing, and I'm going to add the mayo, the sour cream, the lemon juice, and our spices. And I'm just gonna stir this together. That Texas twist is really gonna make this spicy. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna set it in the fridge until we're done making the rest of the salad. Okay, now while the pasta is cooling off, we're going to cook our corn and our onion. I'm gonna let the olive oil get a little warm in there. We're gonna char the corn and get the onion a little bit cooked. You want it to have a little bit of sizzle. So remember, you started with frozen corn, so first of all, you're warming up the corn, but you're also giving it a little bit of a char. Okay, now we're ready to mix together the corn pasta salad. I'm going to put the pasta in first, and then I'm going to put the corn that I just cooked, the corn and the onions. I only cooked the white onions. I should have turned this plate around. And then all of the other ingredients. I love the taste of fresh cilantro, so if you don't want so much cilantro, you could do a little less. And you mix it up so it gets evenly spread around. And then we're gonna add the dressing. All right, now I'm gonna add the dressing. All right, let's mix it up. And then after we're done mixing it, we put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to let all the flavors blend together and give you that nice, delicious pasta salad. And this is 4 servings, so you can make it 2 servings, just double up on your nutritionals and have it as a meal if you're not super hungry. Doesn't that look so good? Okay, so there's our finished corn pasta salad. We've had it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. And now I'm going to serve some up and have a taste, even though, spoiler alert, I know it's good. This makes 4 servings, so just try to visually even it out. All right, so let's give this corn pasta salad a try. It looks really good. Ooh, that cilantro is really good. The red bell peppers are crunchy. The cucumbers are crunchy, but it's got this nice creamy flavor. You can taste the charred corn. That is so good.